Hello, welcome back to Curls by Charlene. I have 5 hairstyles for you.
Do a hairstyle that's really easy, quick and easy. We need the front bits. Take that quick. Yeah. I used to do this hairstyle when I was really in my teens, quite a long time ago. If I look like I'm in my teens now, thank you. Put a comment, I want to know. Okay, so we're gonna take 2 pieces, well, 1 big piece, add a bit of Eco Style gel. Quick. Whoa. Not that much. Yeah, that's crazy. Just about this much. Flick that. Slap it on. Push it through. Yep. Gonna do 2 twists. So split it in half, and then that's not as straight as I wished. But let's go back and I'm gonna do a twist. Split that in 2 and just twist. Quick as you can. So now you need to slick it back and tie it in a low ponytail, okay? I'm gonna add more gel. You can slick this back. It's smooth operator. I added some gel. Oh, that's better already. I'm gonna need to add some more because we want it as slick as possible. You need one of these brushes really, but I can't use this because my husband's and he gets angry. So this is what I'm going to use. It's for his beard. Almost normal ponytail height. Okay, get that. Twist it. For halfway. Oh, that's much better. Where's that claw cut? Big higher maybe? Ah, there you go. That's more like what we want to see. Ah, better. Much better. Right. That's cute, isn't it? Well, next Moisturize, put your lipstick on. I already have mine. But do your makeup and you're ready to go. I added some earrings, yeah, and we're done. Okay. Oh, this other one is like a perfect twirl. This one, however, is not giving the best. You like? So literally what I did was 2 strand twists, yeah? You know how to do that? And I loosened them. Literally, that's what I've done. Now, all you need to do is get yourself some bobby pins. Oh yes. Clip them up. You can twist a little. Yeah, I'm loving this actually. And place the bobby pin in this one. Twist a little.
Oh yes. That is it.
I'm loving this hairstyle. What do you think? A bit of curl and not so much. Curl fro. I got a curl fro, guys.
This next hairstyle, oh yeah, is lovely. We're taking the front bits out, and then you're going to take more bits a bit further back because you want long bits and short bits. So as you can see, I'm doing a twist out, the 2 strand twist again, both sides, and adding gel, and then I'm going to add mousse. I'm using Cantu Shea Butter Wave and Whip Curling Mousse for natural curls, coils, yeah, all that. And then you do a half up, half down ponytail. So it really is that simple. It's so elegant, but it's really quick. Twist it about halfway again and then add the claw clip and you are done. Then slick those edges down, obviously, and make sure it's looking tip top. I really like this hairstyle. I was really impressed actually. Just went back, did another 2 strand twist because I think I didn't at first, and then I thought, oh no, it looks better with it. And there you have it, all done. What do you think? That's the front, that's the back. Yep. And you don't need to wet your hair or have it soaking wet, it's just damp.
So we need 2 ponytails, yeah? Two. Separate in half. The real challenge is gonna be trying to get the ponytails at the perfect height of each other. Okay, it's time to slick it back. I added a generous amount of product already. And that's the hairstyle. It doesn't look as nice on me as it does on her. I tried anyway. I'm thinking up there looks good. There we go. Does it look similar? Sort of round. Now this looks like a Bratz doll, right? Oh my. Hello you guys. Yeah, it's not working, is it? So I'm gonna do a path in the middle. Just braiding one side, I'll be braiding the other side soon. So I used these big hairbands, can you see? But really, I think you need to use those small plastic ones. You know those small plastic ones? I hate them because they always tear my hair. They break my hair, sorry. So I'm not gonna use them. I'm just using these. Hopefully it still works out, but those small plastic ones are the best. And it's pretty much done. That's it. That's the hairstyle. Do it like this and just fluff all this out, really. Add a bit of water. We can make it look a bit more presentable. Because now the length is the length, guys. I know. So you can do a no, nobody wants to do that. Back one. Have your hair out, it sorts up the front bits. Or, and that's it. That's my hairstyle. I love it actually. I quite like it. I just feel like cutting the front bits. Should I? No, we won't.